Hi, ¿qué está haciendo?
Está en la nieve.
En la nieve, wow. ¿Quieres ir al parque? ¿Vamos al parque? Sí, vamos al parque, ven.
Nieve.
La nieve, let's go. Al paso que te caes. Uh-huh. So it's been snowing since I got up at 8 today. And it's 1:15 and the blizzard itself hasn't even hit yet. It's supposed to be very windy and more snow this afternoon around like 6 or 7. So we're gonna go play in the park before it gets really bad and we're stuck in the house for 2-3 days. Vamos, bebé. Uh-oh. And it just doesn't stop falling. That's the house where we live, by the way. Hey. Okay. Maybe I'll put another video up of when it's all over, but this is right now. Gia, mira. Say bye-bye. Ven.
Bye.
¿Te gusta la nieve, bebé?
Y otra nieve.
Wow. Está bonita.
Bonita.
Te vas a caer de allí. Está mojado. She usually goes up this thing by herself, but it's all full of snow, so she could fall.
Yeah.
No. Te vas a caer, bebé. Ven, bájate. Que eso está feo. Alright, di bye-bye.
Bye.
Un beso. Gia, mira, mamá, y di un beso. Ay, qué rico. Bye.